Well, I'm fishing on a Thursday evening down here after work. My missus is watching from the truck. She had to have surgery. Hoping to catch something. There's a boy on a kayak out there. I need me a kayak. I'm gonna start me a GoFundMe for a kayak. You see that? Got something. Little bass. Hey, look at there. Wee. Nice. Now my wife's gonna start fishing even though she's under. Ouch, ouch, ouch. You spine me. My screen's off on my GoPro. I don't know whether it's videoing or not. He's bigger than that. He's gonna spin. That was a surprise the way he was biting. Them teeths. He's gonna eat the camera. Look at that tail. We've been spawning. Let me get the bite again, Kathy. Got him. Yep. Little bluegill. I'll take it. Two fishies. Piranha. Don't you spine me. Ouch. Some bitch spine me. Brought the blood. Yeah, but 7 o'clock's about the time I need to be over here. The sun's all down and cool. See if I can cook me another. Same worm. What the hell's going on over there? Somebody's fighting, ain't they? There's two scrapping over there. They're fighting. Nobody else stands and watches. Can I go over and get in it? That guy catch one over there? I don't got another bite, Kathy. You sure you ain't thinking about fishing? I got him. Another bluegill. I'm on fire. He's pretty, look here. One of his, oh, I got him in the eye. Sorry, fish. It was an accident. Let me try to operate on you. Man, that's going through his nose and everything. There you go, bud. Look at his eyeball. Woo. There's 3. If my wife was sitting here fishing, I wouldn't have caught none so far. She'd have caught them all. Gotta work tomorrow, my day off. Got an easy job all day. Might as well go in. Worms ain't free. They sure as hell ain't cheap no more either. I need to find somebody that's got a garden. Go catch some. Night. My missus got me a almost a 9 foot long expandable frog gig. And I hope to go gigging it. Take y'all along with me. Been a long time since I've done any gigging. And okay, I'm getting a bite already. Trying to get the missus to come out of the truck and fish, but she had surgery, healing up. Get my worm, but most of it. I believe there's a patch of bluegills right there. Probably that baby one I caught the other day that got loose. 4-pound baby. There goes one of my many adoring fans waving at me. I fell right in here last year about this time. Need a gig now, don't I? I didn't drown this time. Almost every fish I caught jumped out of my hand. Because it was skinny mini. I ain't gonna drown, shit floats. I ain't told that joke since the hogs eat my little brother. That little bass fought side to side. Got him. Got him in the eye. Bad thing about these little bluegill, their mouth's so little, they'll take off and you'll end up hooking them somewhere. Little baby. Spying the piss out of me. Be all right till I my work tomorrow. Be all fastered up. That one little sweet spot right there. It's where all the fish lay. Leave me a kayak in a bad way. Got a little nibble there for a second. Birds are flying towards the water. It means the bugs are. What is that, 4 bluegill? Cast out there a little ways. A lot of time in this pond, the bluegill will be suspended like, I don't know, a foot down, and there'll be a bass laying on the bottom under. I've caught a lot of bass like that. Well, I believe I'm gonna call it evening. Mosquitoes are eating me up. The fish have died down, ain't biting for right now. For about 10 o'clock or so, 10, 11, something like that, before they'll start biting again. I gotta work tomorrow. Dope heads on mopeds. Well, keep your lines wet, your hook sharp. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Appreciate it.